guys, welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. I am Sweet Angel, and as you can see, okay, I have on no makeup. This is not Scared Straight, it is Beauty by Sweet Angel. But today is something a little bit different, a little bit special to me because my husband is joining me today to do my makeup. That's right. He's going to be here to do my makeup, and I just wanted to let everybody know that if you have not watched any of my videos, tell somebody to watch this one because I'm sure it's going to be exciting. He's watched me time and time again, but I am just, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm excited too. So I believe this is going to be great. So if you don't mind, I'll do like I always do. When I call him, all I do is just kind of like snap my fingers, and he usually appears like right by my side. And this is Mike, y'all. Say hey, Mike.
Hello.
He didn't really want to do this, but you know what?
Still don't.
Listen, don't listen to him. He's a sweetheart, really. But we're gonna do this today, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna get started. And Mike, you ready to do your thing?
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm ready.
You're always ready. First, I'm gonna pick up this marker and draw a mustache.
Okay, let me please stop crying, okay? You're crazy. Oh, I'm so hot. Okay. You can stand up and think it's easier for you.
See, now y'all see I got her on a low stool.
I can't not stop laughing.
That's the wrong one. That's the wrong color. And I keep trying, just like the president's trying to.
Whatever your preference is.
Yeah.
I don't know what
I
color
do it
you're
on a lot of pencils.
What color are you looking for?
I'm looking for a darker color.
No, it can't be darker. No, those are the right colors. I promise you, that's the right color.
Up here?
On my brow or my mustache. Oh gosh. Oh, save me. Oh God. Let me stop crying. You're so wrong.
How can I do your makeup and you're getting all in the way?
I'm crying. You're wrong for this. Now I know what you feel about me.
Not that I like men, I just want to see what you look like in a mustache. Okay. So much for that. Now, let me try. See what this look like.
Oh God, help me.
So I can open it. Well, I can't open that one. I try to open this one.
This didn't work out like I planned.
That one will open up. Let me see, can I open up this one?
I hope you can't open up anything.
Then you got everything closed on?
No.
Oh, yes, I can't open up anything. Oh, yeah, this look nice.
Oh God, help. I would look so much better without this mustache and stuff.
Oh, that's, oh,
That's
Lord.
eyeshadow. Oh God, help me.
See? Okay. Now try a little stick.
Look at my eyes.
See
I
which
look
one
like
he's
I'm
gonna go
afraid of what he's about to do to me. What's going on?
Blending real easy. Smooth.
No. Oh, I should have done this.
Now this is finished.
This is my new look. Oh my
She's
god.
ready for the stage at the Landon Center on the 16th of August this month. This coming Saturday night. You are ready. Give her a hand.
I'll make sure I wear my makeup like this. That's it, guys. I will not invite him back anymore. Have a great day. Beauty by Sweet Angel. Tell somebody. Check it out. Bye.
That was fun.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mike.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.